Hot Wheels fans, look where we are. We are not in the UK, that's for sure. We are not far outside of Venice Beach, California. And we're on Bertie's Adventure, Bertie's American Adventure. So, it's quite interesting. See what, let's show you, you might quite like this, people. Look at that. I'm not a massive Tesla fan, but that's had some work done to it, that's for sure. Cool, real cool. Right, as I say, yes, we are off today. This is my first day that I've just rocked up. And today is going to be a little bit of a sightseeing expedition just to get me accustomed to being back in Cali. So yeah, of course there's going to be some Hot Wheels in there, that's for sure. Don't you worry about that, people. Plenty happening on the adventure. So let's go downtown and see what we can go and have a look at. First little Hot Wheels hunt. At least I've got DKs here. Oh, we got that one already. What else we got? Oh, look at that, some Team Transport as well. Pretty, very pretty. Right, early morning Target shopping. Yes. Right, okay. Let's have a little look through. Wouldn't normally do it, but this is such a good selection. Let's take this through. Show you what we got here. Some Fast and Furious bits. Look at these little mini bad boys. Great liveries on these NASCARs. Cool. What else have we got? Some of these. Punisher, I've not seen those in the UK before. Collection, whatever that is. Oh, we've got some Team Transport in here, they're beautiful. That is such a cool little galaxy. One of the Fairlane Z, and I think some shrimp jacket as well. Looks like older case here by the looks of things. Not huge amounts of power packs through here, but this is what's cool. Right, I need that one there, but I'm not buying a 20 pack for it. Guess where I am? I'm in the home of it all. Yes, you heard me right. I am outside of the Mattel outlet, which is just right there, and we're going to head inside and take a little look, see what's actually there on the shelves. Fingers crossed we've got some good bits and pieces. Let's get in, let's have a little look. March. Right, so what else have we got? Oh, hell yeah. Ooh, look at that. I'm definitely looking for one of those. we will be taking one of that. Team Transport, 13 bucks. What else we got through here? Easter assortment, huh? Different. One per star. Quite cool. Nice, very, very nice, very nice. And some, what we got down here, some flying customs. That's got some nice wheels for customs, you know. Tempting, very tempting. What's the man got in the box? Excuse me, Mr. Man, what you got in the box? You got anything in the box to come out at all? All out.
Yeah, it's already all out.
No worries, no worries. So we got a few bits and pieces. Should we have a little whistle through? Let's have a little whistle through the singles here. It's all pretty much. Mix of some of the old, we've got loads of Camaros in there. Loads of those Camaros. Loads. I think this is gonna be. Show looks like a load of the same here, to be honest. Right, okay. Oh, I'm so pleased they got that one. Alright, let's have a little browse. What else you got hiding in here? No other Team Transport, just those. These hot furs quite cool though. Oh, a couple of 9-packs. What we got over here? We're right next to it. Let's do a little bit of Matchbox for you people. Again, not the most exciting bits and pieces, but just so that you can have a little look. cool. It's really, really cool, people. Right, where are we? Can't believe I'm only allowed to take one piece. Limit of 1 per style. Oh, how annoying. I would have picked up a couple, that's for sure. Never mind. Let's see what else we got. Right, Hot Wheels fans, look at that, see? Headquarters. I've got my little goodie bag. Not a huge amount in there, it has to be said, but I had a really, really nice chat with a girl who was in there, who was back in the UK last week, funnily enough. So I was having a little chat with her about that, being friendly, as you do. But she said, pop back tomorrow, they've got some more bits and pieces coming in. So looks like I'm going to be doing a double. I'll be back down here tomorrow just to see what's come in. When you're in Cali, you can't not, surely.